If starting affiliate marketing today wasn't hard enough already, then paying for expensive software before you even make your first sale can make it almost impossible. What's up guys, today I'll be going over the top free software I have used to kickstart my affiliate marketing business. Every single program I'll show you is completely free and will seriously help you, especially as you won't be paying before you make your first sale. Make sure you stay to watch every one of these, as the last one I show you may be the one you've been looking for all along. Also, I'll make sure to leave all the links to them in the description below. Right, our first software is an autoresponder. I've used it and I still do use it. It's Aweber. Obviously this has a pay plan as well. However, when I first got started, I just used their free version, as you can have up to 500 people on your list before you even have to move up to their paid plan. Once you reach 500 people on your list, you're more than certain to be earning some sort of commissions anyway, so this is why Aweber can be extremely useful with their free plan. Also, Aweber not only has their email marketing, but they also offer landing page builder too. Now again, when you are first starting out, this can be extremely useful, as you would make a landing page for free, then collect emails leading them to the sales page, and if they didn't buy, you then have captured their email for future possible sales. With this software, you have the opportunity to gain 500 people on your list before you even start paying, and they also say you can send 3,000 emails per month for free. So obviously I don't suggest you to even aim to reach this number, as you'd probably go to their spam anyway, but it's just a good indicator to see that you have quite a lot of leeway before you even start paying. Aweber's email automation is very simple. You just have three options, so you can either send a message, wait for a period of time, or apply a tag to that list. This is why it's so beginner friendly and works extremely well. This is why I use it when I first started, as well as now I use their paid plan as I have more people on my list. Software number 2. If you have decided to do ads, then paying for them alone is kind of a lot for a beginner anyway. So having a software that you have to pay for at the same time can be a bit too much. So this is where BMob comes in handy. This is a free ad tracking software similar to Volume. If you have started ads already, I'm sure you know that you can lose a lot of money if you aren't tracking the right metrics. And being able to track the right metric of a campaign could be the reason you either make 200% profit on that ad or even actually be negative and lose money. So like the paid software Volume, you can see your whole campaign as numbers, which makes it a lot easier to find winning ads and then also generate more income from those ads, rather than just losing more and more money on ads that aren't even performing that good anyway. BMob as well can also track every single form of traffic from native ads right here all the way until to socials like Facebook. So whatever form of ad you're using or have decided to do, BMob can help you with this. Our third software is FreePLR Downloads. This is a website designed with free ebooks which you can use in your marketing efforts. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer for Ted's Woodworking Plans, which is a popular product on ClickBank. As a lead magnet for your email list or to get someone's email, you can come to their website here and search for woodworking, and then use this ebook here to then send to your list. This will then make it more likely for them to buy, as you've given them a free product, or then give you their email to be on that list as well. When you do find an ebook that you like, make sure you come to their license bit here and make sure they have master resale rights. This allows you to send this to anyone for free with no copyright issues at all. This does actually also mean you could then sell these ebooks. However, I think it's much better to give them away to then sell them to sell your affiliate products, rather than trying to make a profit through this bit here. SimilarWeb is our fourth software. You can use this website to spy on competitors that are selling similar or the same products as you. So once again, let's use Ted's Woodworking. This is their main website, and this is how much traffic they receive each month. So total visits here, that's engagement. The good thing about SimilarWeb is that you have all this information and you can do anything you want with it. So say you're doing ads for an affiliate program, you could see where the best country to target is from this bit on the side here. Also, going further down, we then have referrals. Referrals then show you where the most traffic comes from to reach this website. So you can go even deeper into finding their landing pages for the ads they're using and then imitate them, or imitate the same page to give you the best chance of being profitable, as you're currently seeing what's actually working just right now. Further down, we can also see the best socials to promote these products on. So Ted's Woodworking, the best social is Pinterest here. There's just so much information on one website to do your research by making your ads better and designing them around what's already working. Now, third from the bottom here, we actually have competitors to Ted's Woodworking sites. I'm sure they'll be selling probably similar products anyway, or if not, they're probably selling Ted's Woodworking plans. So we're just over halfway through with these free tools. Some coming up could be very useful to you. So if you could quickly like this video, if you found this helpful so far, that would be great. Also, let me know in the comments of any others that you know are free that you're currently using that you'd like me to do some reviews on. Right, the fifth software I'm going to show you today is Grammarly. This isn't necessarily specific to affiliate marketing, but having great copywriting skills could be the difference between your ad or social promotion working or actually not working. All you have to do is input your paragraph here and Grammarly will tell you how readable this is through all these things on the right here, and it will give you a score as well. I'll just get something written out now so you can see an example of this. Right, this is actually one of the copies from a landing page for one of the ads for Ted's Woodworking plans. I've changed a few things to make them wrong so you can see how the software would actually help your copy become actually so much better. Firstly, it gives you an overall score on the right here, obviously 100 being the best. The correctness would then be an indicator if there's any spelling mistakes. Clarity here then shows you how easy it is for a reader to understand what you've written. Go further down, engagement means how interesting it sounds. And then delivery tells you if you're giving the right impression to the reader. So as we got at the moment, the score is 75. So I'll come back, I'll just change all these spelling mistakes and we'll see what the score is. So now changing those spelling mistakes, it now has given Ted's Woodworking ad a score of 98. This is actually quite good. So obviously they wouldn't just normally be spelling mistakes, they also do correctness of sentences. So if this sentence didn't necessarily make sense to a reader, it would then be a lower score. You could then change that and then it will give you a higher score, meaning your ads would perform better as readers would be able to read it a lot better. CB Snooper is the sixth tool we're using. If you have made sales or trying to make sales with ClickBank, then this software can be extremely useful. As ClickBank has a lot of pretty bad products, this tool can help you find the diamonds in the dirt. The one main feature I use at most of the time is the rising products. Where normally ClickBank would filter by highest gravity, this filters by highest gravity actually gained. So this is the highest gravity. Rather than just searching through this bit here, this is then gravity gained, which is the number that you'd be looking for. So to find winning products that you should go for, the ideal metrics would be a lower gravity score around maybe 15 to 40, and then they would also at the same time have a high gravity gained as well. This may then show you the products that are coming back into the light, and then you have the potential to jump on those to make sales from maybe like this here 40 all the way to 150 gravity if that current continues rising up in gravity. Now we have Pixabay. This is a website that has free commercial use stock images and videos. These can all be used in ads or on social platforms that you're trying to build for the products that you're an affiliate for. So to keep the same trend going, I'm going to use Ted's amazing plans once again. If we search for woodworking, we then have 499 images that you can then use all for free. This could be great if you're making an Instagram profile based around your affiliate product, which you're trying to build up and have content for. They also do have videos as well, so you can click the videos and go for this tab here. There's also other websites I know that do quite similar things, that are maybe Pexels as well, could be a good one. The 8th software I want to show you, I'm sure you have a rough idea of what this one is already. It's called Canva. Now I know there are probably quite a few other free photo editing softwares out there, but with Canva it is so beginner friendly, anyone can use it. You also have pre-made templates for so many different designs as well, all along here. So we've got Instagram posts here, which could be quite a good one, like I said before. If you go along and you could find stuff on Pexels and then make an Instagram post and then make content based around that. You've then got Instagram stories. Maybe you wouldn't really use some of these videos, maybe something like that. I've used Canva now for so long. I use it for almost everything I want to edit. It can be great to also kind of resize images that you already have to fit for different ad formats on socials, or become social posts, like I said, through here. You can make the Instagram posts, you could do Facebook posts, you could do logos. Great, thanks for watching this video. I've got another video that I'm going to put up here on the right that could really help you if you're a beginner and want to get started with making money on ClickBank. Also, if you found this video useful, please thumbs up and then subscribe, and I'll be posting more content weekly.